my beautiful FUMINATION. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. Are we living and loving the suit? I know it's a bit loud, it's a bit Miami, but I lived for it. This was a collaboration with H&M. You know how I am about the collaborations. And it was by the late Iris Apfel. She passed away at 102. Father above, please let me go at that time. Let me have all of my faculties, but let me live to be over 100 so I can see Adrian with his little gray hair and his family and his children. Then I'll be ready to go. Needless to say, Iris was that chick, and she came out here in the streets and she gave us fashion. And this was one of the suits which I live and I absolutely love. It also has loafers, and if I find them, trust and believe that I will buy them. You know me, I don't mind anything for fashion. Are we living and loving? The jacket, I got it altered. Yes, I did. And I got the trousers too. I let them drop it at the hem so that I could have the longer length, because I'm a tall girl out here in these streets. So we did what we could do. I just love the print. It makes me happy. It's bold and I live for it. I absolutely do. We also have V-style jewelry. When I tell you I'm living and loving, I love her too. My Italian princess. They are a husband and wife duo. They have their jewelry business and I love them both. And I am wearing this beautiful piece. Look at the blue. That's why I wore it with the suit, and everything is copacetic, my darlings. Discount code FUMI. We are having a meet and greet, guys. We are having a meet and greet in Brooklyn, New York City, and the tickets are selling out fast. We are hitting capacity. If you do not buy your tickets, there is nothing that I can do. Before I even go further this event, ladies, please do not hit the venue. That is not who you should hit up for your hotel, for your transport. I have been out here in these social media streets letting you know that it's Martin. You hit Martin, and he's at the Sobali Global Travel, my darlings. Hit Martin up and he will get you your hotel rooms and he will get you your flights. This event is going to be the event of all events. I am so proud. I am so happy to say that our catering you guys are gonna eat. You guys are going to eat, baby. Our chef, your table. You guys are going to be spoiled. You're going to be spoiled. Thank you to our sponsors. Our sponsors are coming out here and they are stuffing those goodie bags. Juvia's Please, Colored Rain, Healthy Hair Studio, Gerard Cosmetics, Gia Sweets, and the list goes on and on and on. Thank you, because we are doing all of this from London. The vendors are going to be, well, let me start by saying that Healthy Hair Studio, I know how much you love her. So Healthy Hair Studio has agreed. She will be at the venue from 8 in the morning. For those of you that only want to come and shop, that's all that your coin can reach, and you're not coming for the event, I'm that girl. Everybody can win. Don't worry about it. I really am that sister. Come and get your hair products, because just look at my hair. It's becoming thicker and thicker and more buoyant and more fabulous by the day. When I tell you, I just live and love it. Come and buy your products. Healthy Hair Studio anytime will be there. Pray for her. She will come out with a standalone headquarters in New York City. Pray for her, sis, because girlfriend is busy and she has children, as I. So the vendors will be there from 10 in the morning. Healthy Hair Studio will be there from 8. You guys will have different colored wristbands for those that are only coming to shop. I get it. It's the one opportunity that you cannot miss. I'm not going to take that from a sister. Go right ahead and come for your fabulosity. I hear you. All vendors, you can start at 10. The event will start at 1. Darlings, I am so excited. We're going to have our Kiki. We're going to have our step and repeat. We're going to take pictures. We're going to have Q&A. The time is going to fly fast. But my God, we're going to have one day. And that will be the 4th of August. For those of you that want to have a one-on-one consultation, look no further and speak to me, my brothers and my sisters. If you want to send me your businesses for promotion, go right ahead and send it to the American address or send it to the European address. There is no fee. I'm not charging you for this. This is my way of saying thank you for everything that you have done for me. We are at 800,000 strong, and it's taking 10 years for this 55-year-old woman, and you guys have given me all of the love and support, and I want you to win too. So come out here and send me your businesses, and we do lives and we just promote your brand. Why are we here? I am so happy to say the royal family, for the first time since our wonderful, beautiful Queen Elizabeth passed away, it seems as if they're winning. It seems as if things are picking up. We saw on the last day of Wimbledon our beautiful Duchess of Cambridge, Kate Middleton, came out here in these streets wearing the royal color, as well as Wimbledon's, as a matter of fact, in purple.
The Princess of Wales.
It was a woman's day out because she had beautiful little Charlotte, who looked so proud of her mama, and she had her sister there as well. My sister's in town, as a matter of fact, so we did our sister thing. Oh, we had so much fun. You don't even know. A vlog is coming up soon. And it was lovely to see Kate. It was lovely to see that Kate is back. Kate is gingerly stepping back. I wanted to do this because I just kept on hearing, which was kind of annoying. Oh, she looks so slight in stature. She's a little too thin. Homegirl is not well. Was not well, is recovering. It's not as if to say you're going to see her looking bigger, plumper, or whatever. On top of which, Kate has always been very slim. So even 5 pounds off of her, you would see it. But I'm happy to see she got a standing ovation, which was so deserving. I thought she looked wonderful. One thing I will give the Duchess of Cambridge, she has a killer smile. The teeth, the smile, that urban dark hair, gorgeousness. I remember back in the day, it was all about Marilyn Monroe. Of course, before my time, but you know, I love these things. And it was all about the blonde. And then we had Jackie Onassis. And Jackie Onassis brought all of the brunettes back on the map. And when I saw Kate Middleton, the Duchess of Cambridge, come out with that beautiful urban hair, I said, girlfriend, you're pretty. You really are a beautiful woman. And that's somebody who is trying to get back to where she was, because she's still not 100%. Still very beautiful. I wish you all of the best. I throw to you all of the flowers. Go right ahead, mama, and do your thing. May we see more of you at your time, at your pace, because I'm liking it like that. Yeah. So we appreciate this value there. Across the pond, we had Prince Harry, who was also awarded, and he came out with a spectacular speech.
You guys got to stay here for me. Thank you, Elizabeth, Israel, and Kirsty. Stay here. You need to be with me. I'd like to begin by expressing my deepest gratitude to everyone at the Pat Tillman Foundation, led by Marie Tillman Shenton, who I'm so honored is here tonight. I'd also like to acknowledge the Tillman family, especially Mrs. Mary Tillman, Pat's mother. Her advocacy for Pat's legacy is deeply personal and one that I respect. The bond between a mother and son is eternal and transcends even the greatest losses. The truth is, I stand here not as Prince Harry Pat Tillman Award recipient, but rather a voice on behalf of the Invictus Games Foundation and the thousands of veterans and service personnel from over 20 nations who have made the Invictus Games a reality. This award belongs to them, not to me. That said, it is of great importance to me to highlight these allies, athletes, and their amazing families for their achievements, their spirit, and their courage at every opportunity, especially on nights like this, in front of people like you. Moments like these help us reach those that need Invictus most and reduce more than 20 veterans a day taking their own lives in this country alone. For those who may not know, Invictus comes from Latin, meaning undefeated or unconquerable. Nelson Mandela credited the poem of the same name, written by the poet William Ernest Henley, for giving him the strength to endure nearly 30 years of imprisonment. Like that poem, the spirit of the Invictus Games transcends race, time, and borders. It is born from unity and exudes purpose. This year, we're celebrating 10 years of witnessing life-changing impact and healing through sport. And while so much progress has been made since those first games, the world outside seems to be in an even more precarious state. We live in an age marked by polarization and division. Conflicts rage around the globe. Anger and resentment towards those who are different seem to pervade societies everywhere. Our community challenges that. Our community proves that unity is not just possible, but formidable. The beauty of the Invictus Games lies in how it brings people together, no matter one's nationality, background, or personal struggles. It is a collective built from courage and mutual respect, where athletes discover time and time again the common denominator of their humanity. Having survived the crucible of armed combat and forged through the challenge to rebuild bodies and minds impacted by conflict, they form a family. They exemplify the very best in all of us. There is a military expression that dates back to Roman times. I'll spare you another Latin lesson. But the phrase translates roughly to leave no one behind. And they hold particular significance for the US Army's Rangers. And I have no doubt Pat Tillman and his comrades lived by those words. So, it is fitting that I end with them and make a promise on behalf of all of us at the Invictus Games Foundation. No matter the road ahead, we are here for you. We will leave no one behind. Thank you.
And he was there with fabulous and gorgeousness, of course, as you very well know, my beautiful Megan in white. And I lived for it. And the dress was very similar to what she wore for her after party for her wedding. Talking about after party for her wedding, I think that I am going to cover Megan's wedding, who was there, the fabulosity, the dresses, and I'm going to cover, it's only fair, to cover the Duchess of Cambridge. So Duchess of Sussex, Duchess of Cambridge, their weddings are coming up. Better late than never. How about that? And it was wonderful. Harry looked fabulous. He really looked fabulous. Tall, slim, legs. I was like, Harry, you really are your mother's son. You really are. You're looking gorgeousness. And the speech was so heartfelt. God bless you across the pond. And of course, to Lilibet. And of course, to Archie. And to beautiful Megan. You also deserve all of the flowers. I decided to put the two of you together because for the first time, really and truly, I just feel that perhaps the table is turning. I think that's what I wanted to see. The table is turning, hopefully, and things are coming around, and now you're getting stronger. I think that when you have a monarch like the late Queen Elizabeth, who really held fort that family, it did take some time to get back on their feet. They looked scattered when she passed away. And upon reflection, that's what happens to any family when the monarch passes away. And I think they're trying to find their feet. Good on you. Good on you, Catherine. Good on you, Harry. Good on you. My darlings, do not forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification button. And I will see you when? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love.